Hi, do you want to learn how to make the best pancakes? Then this is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Chef Edward. I'm a professional chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks along the way. So, today we have 3 cups of flour, we have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda. We have a third of a cup of sugar. We have 2 eggs and 2.5 cups of buttermilk. And we have a little bit of butter just to put in our pan to help our cook and also to put on top of our pancakes. Let's get started. Okay, so now we are going to add our flour to a bowl, our salt, our baking soda, or baking powder, our baking soda. Okay, now we are going to whisk this together. Now we're going to take this bowl. We're going to take our sugar, our vanilla extract, and our eggs, and we are going to add it together first. Break the eggs, mix it in. Like so. We're going to add it to our flour mixture. We're going to mix this in, like so. Now we're going to add our milk, our buttermilk. So we're going to add half. We're going to mix. Just to get it a little bit incorporated so we don't have crazy lumps. Now we're going to add the rest of it. Okay, sometimes it gets stuck in between. You just shake it out of the whisk. And you don't want to whisk it too hard or too much. You just want to get it just fully incorporated though. Okay, so you want it to have it like so. And now we're ready to cook. Okay, I have a pan on. It's on medium to low heat. I'm going to add a little bit of butter first to the pan. Let it melt. And this is basically the heat where you want it to be. If you're doing a griddle, it would be around 375. I'm just swirling the butter around. I like to use a ice cream scoop. I have a 3-ounce ice cream scoop, and I'm doing a scoop and a half. Just pushing down a little bit, not too crazy. And we are going to cook it until it starts bubbling on top, and that's when it's going to let us know when to flip it. Okay, our pancakes, the top is bubbling. Now it's going to be time to flip it. There we go. It's going to be another about 1.5, 2 minutes on this side, and then it'll be ready to serve. Yeah, just add the butter on top. Okay, let's check the bottom. And the bottom's ready. Okay, now let's do our second pancake. down like so, evenly. Add our mix. Okay, it's time to flip. There we go. I like to add butter on top. Let that butter melt a little bit while it's cooking on the bottom. Okay. Okay, let's check the bottom. Oh, the bottom is nicely cooked. Okay, our pancakes are made. What I like to do is add some syrup to it. Okay, now let's try it. That's a good pancake. Now, if you like to see more content like this, please subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching.